I wanted to emphasize the simplicity of working with this website builder, and what better way to start than with a walkthrough. It speaks for itself. As the top bar, you have essential tools like navigating between mobile and desktop views, undoing actions, connecting your domain, saving, previewing, and publishing your site. On the right, the menu begins with a checklist designed to guide you through modifying the template from start to finish. Below this checklist, you'll find elements that can be added to your site, such as text, buttons, images, Instagram feeds, contact form, or subscribe forms. This section allows you to manage every page of your website, from adding new pages to reordering them in the top menu. Changes to the menu are applied instantly. Further down, you can customize the style of your website by adjusting colors, fonts, buttons, or animations. Another outstanding feature of the Hostinger website builder is its AI tools. The first tool assists in generating images for your website, utilizing 4 credits per image generation. Fortunately, credits are cost-effective with 100 credits available for just $2. The second AI tool aids in logo generation. The third one assists in generating paragraphs to fill your website, and it's free to use. Next, this AI tool can create blog posts of up to 2000 words for you, with the option to select the tone of voice. While the AI heatmap may not be particularly useful, let's focus on what matters. The AI page generator allows you to create new pages complete with design, text, and images from a provided text description. This AI tool is remarkable. It's like explaining your page requirements to a developer or designer. It saves time since results are instantaneous, and you can request as many modifications as needed. Managing your blog is seamless from this interface. Blog posts are organized by their publishing stage, and adding a new blog post or category is just a click away.